What's the problem with digital money? We all know what money in the traditional sense is. You had some physical coins or later cash that you would use to pay for services. But what does it actually mean when money is digital? And why are we running into big problems with digital money? Well, basically, the problem of digital money is that, you've guessed it, it's digital. Okay, that doesn't help much, but let's look at the example of CDs. You may or may not remember the introduction of CDs, where all of a sudden it was possible to just copy music from one CD to the next one. That was obviously nice for the user himself, but for the music industry, different story. Now, only one person had to buy a CD and could make as many copies of it for his friends as he wanted. And the music industry would get less money, of course. In this case, the solution that the music industry came up with were copy protection mechanisms. One way was, for example, to write specific data to a special section of the CD, which was only possible during CD manufacturing, but not for people at home. Now, we need something like this, but for digital money, because, of course, a monetary system where everyone can just copy-paste is not very useful. But just like in the real world, we need to make money printing really, really difficult. Okay, I know the real world might not actually be the best example here with all the money printing that's been going on, but you get the idea. So how can we do that?